Working with mechanical CAD and received a PG file from PTC Creo. This format provides high-quality geometry exchange between CAD systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening PTC Creo Granite files for your engineering workflows. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PG data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A PG file is associated with PTC's Granite interoperability kernel, used within CAD software like Creo Parametric, formerly Pro Engineer. Engineers and designers encounter these files when exporting or sharing lightweight view-only geometric representations of complex 3D models for collaboration or review purposes. The PG format is a proprietary binary file designed to be a highly compact and efficient representation of 3D geometry and product manufacturing information, PMI. Its primary purpose is to enable fast loading and visualization of large assemblies without requiring the full feature-rich native CAD data. Your primary software solution for PG files should be PTC Creo from PTC Inc. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows gives only surface-level details for these files, so full analysis requires proper 3D CAD software. Your first move is key. Right-click the PG file and select Open With. Test with PTC Creo if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If your PG file will not open, do not worry. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, opening in PTC Creo, install PTC Creo Parametric from ptc.com or your organization's licensing system, and use File then Open to load the PG file. Creo loads the geometry with full feature recognition where possible. Use the model tree to navigate the geometry structure for editing or reference in larger assembly contexts. Next, importing to other CAD. Import PG files into SolidWorks, Inventor or other CAD systems supporting Granite format through their import features. Configure import options for tolerance and feature recognition behaviors. While direct Granite support varies by CAD system, most major mechanical CAD platforms include some level of PG file import capability. Finally, converting through step. For broader compatibility, convert PG files to step format using PTC Creo's file, then save as function selecting step as the export type. Step provides industry-standard CAD exchange working with virtually all mechanical CAD systems. Use the step AP242 protocol for the most complete data preservation, including PMI annotations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.